Today we are talking about solenoid. So I am just talked about uh, the brief introduction of solenoid. Now the expression for magnetic field due to long solenoid. If the turns of the solenoid are close to each other and length is very large, the field lines of solenoid will be parallel and equidistant at all point inside the solenoid as shown in figure. So in this case we can calculate the magnetic field inside the solenoid using Ampere's circuital law. For this we draw a rectangular loop PQRS as shown in figure, and the uniform magnetic field B exists inside the solenoid. So by the Ampere circuital law we can see here line integral B dot dl is equal to P to Q B dot dl plus Q to R B dot dl plus S to R B dot dl plus S to P B dot dl. Now in perpendicular direction there will be the magnetic field exist. So now P to Q there will be B dot dl is there. Inside the conductor magnetic field is exist, current will exist, but outside the conductor there will not be, so there will all will be zero. So the expression will be there B into L, right? So now if N is the number of turns per unit length, number of turns through loop PQRS will be NL. If I is the current in solenoid, the net current through the loop PQRS, so I total net current is equal to N Li. And now from the Ampere circuital law line integral V dot dl mu naught I, so mu naught I is equal to, so BL is equal to mu naught N Li, so B is equal to mu naught Ni. So if we talking about the outside the solenoid, so B is equal to 0. If long solenoid we considered long solenoid, then length is very large as compared to its radius in practice. So the same expression of magnetic field are used for long solenoid as of solenoid of infinite length. So therefore for a long solenoid magnetic field inside the solenoid B in is equal to mu naught Ni, and the magnetic field at the end of solenoid is mu naught Ni by 2. So therefore the magnetic field at the ends of a long solenoid is half of the magnetic field inside the solenoid. Thank you.